Cucumber harvest. I'm definitely growing these next year. Quick little harvest. I got some purple bell peppers, green ones, some cherry tomatoes, hibiscus flower that fell. It didn't really have much dirt on it, so I'm going to make some hibiscus tea from that. I got some red vein kale. Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you. And then I have these ginormous, really huge cucumbers. I'm growing these next year. That's crazy. And this is the salad that I made from that harvest just now. And I made some homemade salad dressing, which is so good. And that's tahini, balsamic, onion powder, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, agave. I think that's all. Yeah. And it's so freaking good, by the way. Yay. Mmm. You like the dressing?
Yes, it's sweet. It's very good.
Rainbow salads. You want some water?
I'm good.
These are watching television with actors or reality TV, which we all know about that now, right?
Hey, babe.
Reality TV.
He's cool and he ain't scared of me.